I talking about the unstable equilibrium, and the charge on plate are reverse. Upper is positive and lower plate is negatively charged, and the direction of electric field get reverse. And when the electron enters in electric field, the electrostatic force work downwards and their weight are also in downward direction. So it is unstable equilibrium. For unstable equilibrium, we reverse the polarity of the plate, so the direction of the electric field get reversed. And when the electron enter between the plate, they get accelerated toward downward direction, and weight of particle and electrostatic force both are acting in same direction. So the net force is equal to electrostatic force plus weight of electron. Net force, that is acceleration force, mass into acceleration, we have already know in the class in 8th and 9th, that is force equal to mass into acceleration. And fourth, that is electrostatic force E into small e into capital E plus weight of electron mg. And we have got divided the m both side, the acceleration value of electron. The particle gets accelerated with this magnitude in the downward direction. We have talking next point, that is neutral point. And a neutral point is the point at which charge or a test charge do not experience any electrostatic force and electric field. First, that is for unequal and like charge. Unequal, that the magnitude values are different, and like charge, if both q1 q2 have positive or either negative nature. q0 is a test charge, generally it is a positive unit charge. For neutral point, we have discussing in the above definition that the point at which a test charge or a charge do not experience any electrostatic force q1 and q2 are charge, and q0 is the test charge putting between the q1 and q2, and r1 is the distance hence from q1 charge, and q2 is r2 distance from q0. And general for neutral point, force on f1 equal to f2, which are applied on f1 applied on the right side, and f2 is applied from left hand side. Both are equal at the point. For by solving this values, r1 get capital R, that is distance between q1 and q2, 1 plus root q2 upon q1, and for r2 value, that is r small r, 1 plus root q1 by q2. For a stable and unstable equilibrium, neutral point lies toward the charge of smaller charge. In this equation, q1 is greater charge, q2 is smaller. For finding the nature and magnitude of a charge, net force is calculated to be 0 at each charge other than the charge at center. It means that the net force equal to at the other side, not in between the charge. For the second is the unequal and unlike charge. Unequal and unlike charge, that is magnitude are different and nature also are different, that is q1 and q2, and q1 is greater charge than q2, and q0 is test charge, which is outside from the charge system. The distance is x, and r distance between q1 and q2. For neutral point, the net force on the test charge will be 0, that is f1 equal to f2. f1 applied by f1 charge, that is right hand side, and f2, that electrostatic force applied by q2 charge, which is left hand side, and both are values are equal. Putting these values and solving the equation, we have got the value of distance of neutral point from the charge q2. This value is r root q1 upon q2 minus 1. Point charge from q2 and when we have solved for q1 we have plus add the value of distance between q1 and q2 point charge. In this question it is clear in the diagram either three charge or same nature are kept on the vertex of a triangle and a small discharge at the center of triangle, and we have to told that the nature of charge and magnitude of charge which balance hence the net force applied by the vertex of other two on the third vertex. That's, that is the force applied by this charge is F2 and by this charge that is F1, and the resultant trend is F1. By solving F1 F2 is equal because distance of the triangle is a equilateral triangle. By solving the ultimate value that is F root 3, and for that charge the distance between the center to the vertex by solving this the x value a root 3. For equilibrium that the net force at this point is equal to 0, that F4 is equal to F net. Putting this value and solving the equation we got the value of charge at center that is q by root 3, and it is negative in nature. If it is not in negative nature, is positive in nature, to they repel the charge which is kept on the vertex. So it is a negative charge to cancel the net charge applied other two vertex on the charge.